It's the keto diet because what happens is your body actually goes into ketosis where you deplete it, you starve it of carbohydrates, and it actually biologically switches over to burning fatty acids, which puts ketones in your blood that are detectable when there's no carbohydrates in your system. And so then your body's, by theory, your body's burning body fat as energy. When I was doing it, you do less than 20 grams of carbs a day, and then you're doing about 70% of that is fat and 30% protein. So I kept my protein a little bit higher just because I was working out so much and I felt like my muscles weren't getting enough to recover. But also there's some people who think like if you put your protein too high, your body can actually take the amino acids and convert them into glucose and glycogen, which are carbohydrates. There's a process where your body actually does that. And after you've been on it for about 2 weeks and you actually get in ketosis, most of the time you can go up to 50 grams of carbs a day as maintenance. But when I was doing it, since I was just doing it for 6 weeks, I just stayed at the 20 because I didn't want to risk knocking myself out of ketosis. You know, when your muscles don't have glycogen in them, you're not going to get pumped up the same as you do in the gym when you're lifting normally. Your strength probably is not going to be as good. You know, you can do things like MCT oil to supplement your energy levels. It's medium chain triglycerides from coconut oil that actually give your body energy like a carbohydrate would, like oatmeal or like fruit or anything like that on a regular diet. So your strength and endurance won't be as good. But once you deplete your body of the glycogen in your muscles, it's crazy how actually lean and shredded you can get. I mean, I'd never had a six-pack like that in my entire life. Fat, like MCT oil, like I said, I do a protein after my workout. I was doing 2 shakes a day, and then coconut oil also, which is very similar to the protein. There's a lot of companies that are coming out with exogenous ketones now, which are supposed to put more ketones in your bloodstream, and it's supposed to help you burn more fat as energy so that you get leaner at the same time. I haven't really used those much, but they are pretty popular. Yeah, the keto strips are just convenient. When you have ketones present in your urine, you pee on the strips, and what it does is let you know how many ketones are in your urine or how far into ketosis you are. That way you can actually gauge it by a number so you know if you're knocking it off the path, like if you cheat one day. And the thing is, with the other reason it's important because everybody's different, you know. Some people can go out and eat carbs for a whole day and not go out of ketosis, but then other people, you know, if they even go 1 gram over the 20 gram introductory amount, they're going to get knocked out of ketosis. So the strips are just a way to keep track of your progress. The other trick of that is you have to make sure you're eating enough fat. Because the first time I did it, I just went low carb and low fat because I was like, well, fat's bad for you. I'm not going to eat that. And I'm just going to cut my carbs and eat all protein because protein builds muscle. Well, I went from 206 to like 175 in a month, but I lost all my strength, all my muscle, and it really set me back and really hurt my physique not doing it properly, especially if you're going to do it for a while.